So olive green is our new color for spring and for summer that is just really beautiful. And for a lot of us, it really opens up a whole nother palette of color. And so some say, well, I don't look good in olive green, but it can certainly go on the bottom and something else on the top. And so what I wanted to do is bring in our knits. They're all $14.99 today. And they're olive green related. We have a beautiful linen olive green that's on the site already. I don't know the number off the top of my head, but it's a beautiful linen cotton olive green, and it's gorgeous. And all of these go with that color. So some of these are just so striking. This is a viscose, and you can see it looks like a woven. The print is so fine. Anyway, it's a viscose knit. It stretches in both directions. So this is just really fine dressing. It's just beautiful. That viscose, and then that's a knit. This one's a woven. I just love this. Isn't that beautiful? It's a viscose woven. It's 100% viscose. The colors in there are beautiful. You've got red, you've got some brown, you've got the olive, black. I just love that. I think that is just a beautiful piece of fabric. And then we've got this also olive. Sorry, I've got these all wrapped around each other. Love that. You can see it's much lighter, very spring, just a lot that can be done with it, kind of a variegated stripe on some levels. I put this one in. This is a request. This is a cotton poly. I had a request for a black satin, and so I don't have a lot of yardage on that, but I wanted to put it in. It is a woven, and it's a black cotton poly and black satin. So it's a crepe back satin, which just means it's satin on one side and a matte on the other side. Both sides are used. This crepe back is what's really beautiful. Crepe back black satin, very popular, and for $14.99, that's definitely a giveaway. I love this. Very bright, and you can see where it tie in with olive green beautifully, and yet very summery and very light feeling. It is a viscose. It has stretch in both directions, and just a really great drape, beautiful piece. And then we have this last one, and this is so very different, and I just love it. Very Nick and Zoe looking. Hate to use the designers, but I hope you understand what I'm saying. This is a knit, and it looks like a woven. It's a plaid. It has stretch in both directions. This would be great for a little jacket. Just one of our little jackets that you just want to have a jacket. You want it closely fitted. You could really do a knit sleeve with this because it's got stretch in both directions. So look at the 7, 800s, 900s in there and find a pattern that you love, and that will be amazing. Amazing little jacket. All right, so it's happy Thursday and happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.